Hi, my name is Daria Franz and I'm going to show you how to create moving text in Photoshop. So this is our Photoshop and we have to create new window for our text. Let it be like 1000 pixels weight, 300 pixels height, and you click create. This is our window for our text. Now let us choose some color for our background. You're going to rectangular marquee tool. We are selecting our area. Then right click, fill, and background color. It will be red. Now it's okay. Now let's go to Type tool and write some text. For example, animation. Okay, you can change its style, you can change its size. For me it's okay. Now click here, it's done, and go to Move tool and holding left click of your mouse we are moving our text to be not visible. Okay, now we have to create frame animation. Double click and changing the time. Let it be 0.1 seconds. Now click here to duplicate our frame, and then we have very carefully to move our text to the left side to make it invisible again, and to create an intermediate frames. Let them be, they can be 40, they can be 50, 30, they can be 50. Okay, and now let's see what we have. I think it's good enough. So we did it, and thank you for your time. Bye.